Alright people, I'm gonna show you the brand new Ruroc helmet. I'm gonna go do the full unbox. Full unbox, bud. Alright.
Ooh, there's a place to carry here. Guess that's good. Alright. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Alright. Look at this. So there's instructions and some Velcro. Obviously the goggles. This is the mouthpiece. The goggles. Comes with a nice protected handbag. Right. Okay, with the front. Oh, there you go. Look at those. God damn. These are fucking sexy. That's a sexy helmet. Alright.
Alright. Let's try to put this thing together. Try putting on the goggles, I guess. Alright. Slide that right in.
Oh. Looks like that's the max.
Alright. Okay, well there's gotta be somehow a way they connect. Alright, let's see the instructions. Let's see what they say. Oh, nice. Comes with some stickers. Alright. So, this helmet is for cyclists, skateboarders, or skaters. No helmet can protect the wearer from all injuries or even death. This helmet only can give protection if it fits properly on the head. Do not remove, modify any component of the helmet. Do not apply solvents, whatever that is, stickers to the helmet. Clean the mild soap/water. Read fitting manual before using the helmet. Ah, great.